Welcome to this comprehensive technical guide on wiring three-phase motors. We will focus on the key difference between star and delta configurations to help electricians, engineers, and homeowners optimize performance and safety. First, let's cover the basics of three-phase motors. A foundational understanding of the three-phase induction mechanism is key to selecting the correct wiring configuration. Choosing the right connection is vital for current management, preventing extreme surges that can trip breakers. It also ensures appropriate torque control for the load and optimizes thermal efficiency, extending the motor's lifespan. Inside the terminal box, most motors have 6 points: U1, V1, W1, and U2, V2, W2. We use copper or brass links to bridge these terminals. Vertical links create a delta connection, and horizontal links create a star connection. In the star or Y configuration, the ends of the three windings join to form a neutral point. This results in a lower starting current and is a gentle way to start a heavy motor, allowing it to run on higher voltages. The delta configuration connects the end of one winding to the start of the next, creating a closed loop. This provides high torque and full power because each winding receives the full line voltage, ideal for heavy-duty applications. Here is a comparison. Star configuration offers low starting current and torque, typically used for the starting phase. Delta provides full line voltage, 100% torque, and high current for the running phase and heavy loads. A star-delta starter uses a hybrid approach. It starts the motor in star to limit inrush current, typically to 33% of the rated current. Once the motor reaches speed, it switches to delta for full power, protecting the electrical grid. For householders, using star connection for home applications helps prevent tripping breakers. Engineers must verify the motor's nameplate voltage suitability for delta. Electricians should always torque terminal nuts correctly to avoid winding burnout. Regarding safety, always use lockout/tagout before working inside the terminal box. Use a megger to verify winding integrity. To reverse direction, swap any two input phases. Finally, ensure a verified earth bond to the frame. For troubleshooting, overheating can result from running a too heavy load in delta without adequate cooling. Humming or no starting power suggests single phasing. If nuisance tripping occurs, check that the star-delta transition timer is not set too fast. Thank you for watching this video on wiring three-phase motors. For specific installations, always consult your local electrical codes and motor manufacturer datasheets. This final scene lists the image sources used throughout this video for your reference.